Joining me now is Chennai and Tamil Nadu brace for heavy rainfall over the next 48 hours. For citizen and political voices, A. Sarvanan, spokesperson of the DMK, Ganpati Ramachandran, chairperson of the IIT Madras Entrepreneurs Forum, GP Sharma is the president of SkyMet, the weather service, Jayaram Venkatesan is the convener of the Arapur Ayakam, Carrie Edwards is an entertainer, actor, voiceover artist, Karun Raman is a fashion choreographer. I want to go across first to GP Sharma because you've got all these Met Department warnings, and I'm very suspicious of Met Department warnings because whenever they up the ante so much and they've got everybody worried, typically very rarely do things tend to go wrong. What can you tell us on the basis of your best reading of the current weather forecast is likely to happen over the next 48 hours in the coastal districts of Tamil Nadu?
Yes, Rahul, starting from now, lasting till tomorrow. Tomorrow, at least in the morning hours, it's a critical. Okay, what we fear is a very strong system. It's to me, it looks like already a depression very close to the coast, just off the coast, peripherals of the system already making approach. That's the coastline, starting from Chennai and going down right across Puducherry, Cuddalore and Karaikal up to Nagapattinam and even beyond that up to Tuticorin or so. And it's going to be very heavy. We have seen a deluge that was on 6th. I think if not more, equal. But to me it appears it could be more than that also. Because looking at the cloud configuration which I see in the satellite imagery and the radar also at the moment, it's closing in and it's much intense. And it should start pouring anytime I will say maybe after another 2-3 hours or so, and throughout the night it's going to pour. My fear is it's going to be a deluge to the extent of even about maybe 200 millimeter of rainfall. Is not impossible. It is going to be there. Last time we had about 215. It's almost equal or could be more than that. In these types of systems, exact thing you can't predict, but then it's going to be extremely heavy. That goes beyond doubt. Right from Chennai downward, so more of it possibly will be maybe Puducherry, Karaikal, but Chennai is not out of it. There is going to be extremely heavy rainfall, even including Chennai. I expect the relief from this, that's only by tomorrow afternoon. I think it's going to ease out in the sense it's going to become possibly light or moderate. But then, till then, we keep our fingers crossed, hope everything is safe or so, and we have taken possibly enough measures for safeguarding people, the property, but then it's going to be definitely a very intense event coming up. Yes.
Very intense event. 200 plus mm of rainfall is what you're anticipating.